In this video, you are going to see how to create carved text in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here, Knowledge for Future. Now click on the text box, go to Shape Format, go to Height, make the height 3 inches and make the width 3 inches and hit Enter. Then it will be square. Now select the text, go to Shape Format, go to Text Effect, go to Transform and choose this option, Circle. Now go to Home. From here you can increase the font size. Select it, you can change the font from here. And if you want to add some effect, click on it, go to Shape Format, go to WordArt Style, you can change the style from here. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.